I've just taken off the front bumper. I am going to be testing out my bedliner paint on it, see how it holds up, and paint that and see how that looks. I've just painted the front bumper again with a second coat. Now it has much nicer, cleaner look to it. All looks the same color. Not faded in any spots. And that's it for the bumper. I have just removed the shock off the front left swing arm, prepping swing arms for painting, and going to be doing the same to the left shock. I'm going to be taking that one off too. I now have both the shocks off. I'm going to be sanding swing arms down and be ready to be painted. These will be black, and I think that I'm going to keep them black. I'm not going to paint them another color, and they should look pretty good.